Hello viewers, welcome to Beauty of Bengal YouTube channel. In today's video we will show you how to install multiple fonts with just one click.
So let's start this video. First of all, you can go to your C drive, then you can go to Windows folder, then click fonts, and you can show your all fonts. You can go to your font. I just download this font sometimes ago. I need to install all font in just one click. So guys, now you can copy this font, copy here, and you can go to your Windows font folder, then just click here and paste. You show now my 10 fonts installing just one click. So guys, it's already done. So now I go to my Photoshop, so guys, already you show my font install is done. So if you like this video, then please subscribe our channel for more video. Thank you so much.